sanded up the hoops, cleaned them all down so they're ready for some primer, and just putting some filler on where the hoops had some rash on where the pedal clamps on. So I've got the colour match sorted. I've flattened off the paint on the hoops. It was a real struggle actually because the sandpaper kept galling up. So in the end I used a Scotch pad which flattened it off nicely and gave a really uniform finish. So now I'm going to hang them up and get some lacquer on them. I've just finished cleaning the hardware and getting it all organised, so the best ones are going to be at the front. The hoops have had their last coat of lacquer. I'll get them polished up and then we can assemble the drum. I'm just working my way around the hoop, and any bits that look like they need a bit more of a polish, like here, I'll go over another few more times and then they're ready to roll. But in general, they're looking really, really nice. So the bass drum's back together, the hoops are on there. They look really, really nice. The finish is superb. Here we are setting up our second camera angle. Go on then, Dots, press play.
Play with play.
Press your play button, your record button. Ah, well done. Hoops are a bit darker than the wrap, but looking at pictures, if you look at the top left here, you can see the pictures, the hoops always look slightly darker. But overall, I'm quite happy with it. The challenge now is to find the rest of the kit.